so when using the scroll saw, make sure you roll up your sleeves. If you have long hair, tie them up and then put your safety glasses on.
Can I use the scroll saw? Miss D, can I use the scroll saw? Miss D, can I use the scroll saw? Miss D, can I use the scroll saw?
Right. So before you turn on the machine, make sure your guard is adjusted, your blade is tense, and your blower is adjusted right there. Okay, so now you are ready to turn on your machine. Before actually putting the wood underneath the blade, adjust your speed. Oh God. And now turn off the machine. That is how you use a scroll saw.